Hey guys, today I'm going to do an oil change on my Toyota Rav4. It's going to be the first one I've done yet. But I went the other day, I put it up and was looking at it, and it's the plastic oil filter cap is already leaking. Over time they just get old and break up and all that. So I picked this up, get it out of the box, on Amazon. I'll include a link to it in the description below. But check this out. It's an aluminum cap, so you don't have to worry about the plastic breaking, but it also came with an oil filter wrench. Now that by itself is like a $20 wrench right there. Got the whole set for like $24, I think it was. Anyway, let's go ahead and install it and see how it works. So there's the one I'm planning on replacing. And back when I was looking at it before, I could have swore I saw one of the ears were broke off on it. But I don't see it broke off. And it was wet before too, but it's not wet. You can see where it's kind of had some kind of residue on it before. I think I'm just going to go ahead and change it out anyway though, because these do have a tendency of starting to break down. I'd rather have the aluminum one on it anyway. So let's go ahead and get it changed out. So one of the first things we want to do is go ahead and pull this plug, because I'm going to need that for my new one. And then we'll go ahead and remove that cap and get things going. And next we're going to remove the filter housing. This is the one I spent 20 bucks on back when I bought it. This is the one that came with the kit, so we're going to use it. It's definitely over tightened. Okay, so there is the old one. Pulled that end cap off of it. Don't see any damage on it. It's funny because I swore I saw a crack in it back before I ordered that new one. Anyway, that's the paper filter the Toyota loves to use. So let's go ahead and get everything converted over to the new one. Okay, so just installed the O-ring that comes with the filter. Got that installed into that. Go ahead and get the cap installed. Now, I'll worry about tightening up the cap once it's actually on the vehicle. Okay, so I got the filter in it. I went and put the new O-ring on it. I don't trust the O-ring came with it. Get it installed and make sure it doesn't leak. And then don't forget to clean everything up. Lubricate the O-ring and we'll be good to go. As you can see, everything is in place. Everything's torqued to spec. Dragging plug in. I'm just going to go ahead and fill everything up, and then we'll put it back up after he's got it running and make sure we don't have any leaks. Well, there we are. It's in place. Everything looks bone dry. Looks good. Once again, there is a torque spec for this. I believe it's 25 newtons or something like that. It's actually listed on the cap. Anyway, if you're wanting to switch over from a plastic cap to aluminum, that's a good option right there, because it gives you both the cap and the filter wrench as well. So definitely worth the 24 bucks or whatever it was I spent for it. Hey guys, thank you for watching. Catch you in the next one.